Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. Hello friends, I'm going to tell you how to block a bad website that is visited by your children. Let's suppose I want to block a website called www.bad1.com. So I go to www.bad1.com and it brings me here to this website. Now let's suppose I want to block it so that anybody who uses my computer will not be able to visit it. So the technique is very easy. What we do is we go to, on the Windows 10 I go to my C drive, then I go to Windows folder, then I go to a folder called System32. So locate System32, I go there, and then go to a folder called drivers. See the drivers, and then there's a folder called etc, and then you see a file called hosts. See the hosts, you can double click on it, and then it asks you how you want to open. I want to open with Notepad. So now at the end there is a line here called 127.0.0.1 www.dailymotion.com. This means this website has been blocked. So I want to add 127.0.0.1 www.bad1.com, and then I can add more websites if you want. Like for example, if you want to add another website, www.bad2.com. Suppose you also want to block bad2.com. So I'm going to block bad1.com and bad2.com. Then I save this. File. Once I save it, now if I go to my browser and I type www.bad1.com, www.bad1.com, I have to open this browser, and there's a www.bad1.com. See, now it says can't reach this page. That means this website has been blocked. Remember, after you make change to the host file, you have to close the browser session and restart the new browser session, and then add bad1.com. Now if I want to go to bad2.com, that also comes back bad bit saying cannot reach this page. www.bad2.com refuse to connect. Now if I go to bad.com, of course bad.com is working because we didn't block it. Okay, so this is how you block it. Now one more thing, when you are editing host files, sometimes if you don't have permission to change it, you will not be able to edit it. So in that case, you select this file, host, and then right click and then go to properties, and then you go to security tab, click on security tab, and then in my case I use this group called administrators. I'm one of the administrators. So I go to administrator and I see that I have full control. I have modify access, read and execute, read and write. If I didn't have it, I would have to give myself these permissions and then update it. Now if I go to users, they don't have these permissions. So in this case, I will have to edit it. I have to edit, and then I have to give those permissions. Like for example, in this case, for all applications, for users, I have to give them read and update access. So it is very important that the group in which you belong must have modify access to this file, and you can change it from here. And and this is how it works. So this is very easy way to block any website, and many people don't know about it, but I've just told you a secret that I have known for many years. Thank you very much. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. You should also share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below. You can share it via WhatsApp, via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or via email. Please also write your thoughts in the comment section below so that others may benefit from your thoughts. You can also click on the bell icon so that you will be informed when I post new videos. Thank you.